All right, good morning. It's the next day. The coffee is flowing, the bugs are thick, life is great, right? Okay, so I got the Pink Panther set up because we're gonna get these beams on here and we're gonna start making rafters. Yeah, I do drink coffee up here. Caffeine does help, I can tell you that. It's really nice, but with all these bugs, you gotta always look in your cup. I had some mosquito legs in my cup a few sips ago. I don't know where the rest of the thing went. But yeah, try that out. Get your doppio macchiata in the city with mosquito legs. Probably have the greatest day ever like me. All right, let's get this thing, man. Let's get up in the air. That one's up there. Make sure it's square, and we'll come over to this other side. That was a piece of cake. Yeah, but check this out. More importantly, I've only been up and down the stairs a few times. It rained a little bit last night. Look at those steps. If you had to finish, deck boards on there. Ooh. Temporary. Pretty cool, huh? Level, plumb, linear. All right, so do the same thing on the other side. I won't show you that video. And if you see me looking off the camera, I'm always looking down the driveway. You never know what you're gonna see. A grouse. I'll be right back. Here we are up in the air. You can see I got this header on, the lower header on. Now, the moment of truth. Let's make a rafter. Now we need the rafters up there. Let's try Elise's trick. Does it work with gloves? Wow, look at that. The scaffolding just fits. Who drew this house anyways? Wow. Wait a minute. Yep, just fit. Now I'm gonna put the SkyTrack right in front of it, the man basket, to keep it from any tipping out possibilities. Just like that. All right, so I put the first rafter up. And don't worry about the ends yet because I have to cut that. But I'm looking to make sure that there's continuity, or you know, the same type of look that comes up to the bottom of the roof as it does on that porch roof. And I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to cut the rest of the rafters and get this thing built. Before I bring the next rafter up, I trace it out on the next board. And I'm sure there's somebody out there that's like, geez Louise, man, why are you using 2x12s 1 foot on center? Answer is snow load, but also we need that taller profile to match the taller edges of the roof. Ah, design build, that's a difference. Besides just grabbing something and throwing boards on it, we're actually creating a masterpiece here. Another good reason to have temporary stops. Whew. Look at this. Check it out. Now we just have to cut the ends off. I think if I cut them too short, you'll lose that look. See that? So I'm gonna keep them a little bit longer to match the ends. I think that is gonna be the ticket. Well, here we are, sheeting this porch roof. You see we're up in the air. Hopefully you don't get too queasy if you're up in the air. I'm gonna take the next piece and I'm gonna put it up there. I'm gonna try to film this so you can see how this is done. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put it camera right against the nail gun. It's that sophisticated. Set it right there. I just want everybody to join along with me, man. I'm having all this fun. I feel bad everybody's home. Okay, watch this. That's where the steak dinner comes in. Then you throw it up there like this. You see that? Okay, switching around. Now I just crawl up there and I slide it into place. I'm gonna change the camera angle. Yeah, hi there. And I'm only crawling because, not because I'm afraid, it's just easier. Yeah, just like that. Sorry, Mom, if that freaked you out. But it's safe. I built it, so I know it's tough. Now I nail it into place. Let's see what it's at way down there. Ooh, get queasy. Yeah, I'm standing up here now. It's getting strong. See? Right down there, I have the man basket on the sky track right below me. So if I slip, I just go kerplunk into that and not kaplop off the roof. That is another one of the tricks. So this is me down on the ground. That's where I was, right up there. See, there's a piece that I need to get up there. It's really important to come down and check out what you're doing just to make sure everything's looking right. I often wonder, did Michelangelo come down Sistine Chapel, grab a scone or whatever they ate back then and looked up and went, I need a little more gold leaf? I don't know. But when you do a masterpiece, you need to keep an eye on it at all times just to make sure everything's looking decently. I just about have this roof done, and this is the first time I walked over from this angle. Check this out. Oh man, that's sweet. Woo! All right, I'm gonna finish that thing up so we can get the photo out. It never ceases to amaze me how quickly the sun moves across the sky, block out all the bugs when you have a productive day. Check it out. The roof, this whole thing is done. I got the ice and water on it. Now I just have to clean up. And the bugs, they know that I'm paying attention now. What a week. Hot up here. And I'll be honest, I am tired of the bugs. Look at, I don't know if you can see it, but gotta be tougher than the mosquito. Yeah, now let's go down and take a look at what this thing looks like. Well, there it is. Remember, above the door, there are gonna be windows that are angled at that roof angle. It's gonna be pretty cool. That's why it's kind of tall like that. Oh man, amazing week to build that roof in a day. What can you say? Except it helps to keep the bugs away till another day. Okay, thanks for watching. And I'll post videos as I do these different projects around here. So thanks for watching and stay tuned.